Hey there, Coachella Valley. Today we're diving into the age-old debate, heat pump or traditional HVAC system. Which one's the best for your home in our lovely sun-drenched desert? Grab a cold drink, sit back, and let's break it down. First up, let's talk about heat pumps. Now, despite their name, heat pumps do more than just heat. They're like that friend who shows up with snacks when you're hosting a party. They've got your back in both summer and winter. They use less energy to keep your home comfy all year round. Plus, they're environmentally friendly. So, if you're into saving the planet 1 kilowatt at a time, heat pumps are the way to go. But what about the trusty old HVAC system? It's reliable, it's powerful, and it's been around since your grandpa's grandpa was complaining about the heat. Traditional HVAC systems are designed to handle extreme temperatures. On those scorching 115-degree days, you might appreciate the sheer cooling power of a robust HVAC system. And in the rare, chilly desert night, it heats like a champ. Now, before you rush to make a decision, let's talk about cost. Heat pumps might have a higher upfront cost, but they tend to be more energy efficient, which could save you money in the long run. Traditional HVAC systems usually have a lower initial cost, but they can be more expensive to operate. It's like choosing between a fuel-efficient hybrid and a gas-guzzling muscle car. Both get you where you need to go, but one's a bit kinder on the wallet over time. But wait, there's more. Let's sprinkle in some extra goodness with Anthem's Comfort Club. Whether you go for a heat pump or an HVAC system, joining the Comfort Club is like adding whipped cream to your favorite dessert. You get 2 maintenance visits a year, one in the spring and one in the fall, ensuring your system is always in tip-top shape. Anthem even handles the scheduling, so you don't have to remember a thing. As a Comfort Club member, you enjoy a 15% discount on AC and heater repairs, IAQ products, and duct cleanings. Plus, you get a service fee discount, preferred scheduling within 24 hours, and priority service on those unbearably hot days. Imagine, while your neighbors are sweating it out, you're chilling in comfort because you're a priority. And let's not forget the long-term benefits. Extended lifespan of your HVAC, increased energy efficiency, fewer repairs, improved air quality, and extended labor warranty on new systems. If you ever decide to sell your home, you'll have pristine maintenance records that are transferable at no charge. So whether you choose a heat pump or a traditional HVAC system, Anthem's got your back. Our technicians are factory trained, drug tested, background checked, and ready to keep your home comfortable year round. Ready to join the Comfort Club? Give Anthem a call today and make sure your home is ready for whatever Coachella Valley weather throws your way. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.